So in the installation video of Cursor AI editor, we had seen that we can launch the Cursor editor using code command as well along with the cursor command. So let's say you had installed this code shell command while installing the cursor, but now you do not want to use this code command anymore to launch the cursor editor, and instead you just want to use the cursor shell command to launch this cursor editor. So we will see how we can do that. So on terminal, if I type code command and hit enter, then you can see currently the cursor editor is being launched, and this is happening because currently the code shortcut is attached with the cursor's shell file. So in this video we will see how to remove or uninstall that code alias for the cursor editor. And to remove the code alias, we will need to remove the symlink which is present inside the user/local/bin directory. So I'll go again to the terminal, and here first of all we will go to that bin directory. So we will type cd space /user, then /local, then /bin, and hit enter. And here in this bin directory, if I do ls, then you would see this code, which is not the actual shell file. Instead, this is just a symbolic link. So let's run one more command to verify this. So I'll run ls space -la and I'll hit enter. So here you would see this code which is pointing to this actual file. So this is the actual path of the file and this is just the shortcut. So this is the actual file and it is present in this particular path, and it corresponds to the cursor editor because the cursor is present in this path. So here this code is just a shortcut, or we can say a small data file which contains only the path of the actual code file. So we will remove this shortcut only, not the actual file. Now if you want to understand more about these symbolic links, like what are they and how they work, what are the benefits of these, then I have already created another beginner friendly video on this channel itself, and you will find the link of that video in the description below. Now let's delete this symbolic link. So let me clear the terminal once so that it would be better visible to you. And now we will type rm space code and hit enter. Now the command is executed successfully, and if I again run that command ls space -la, then you will notice that we don't have that code symbolic link now. And if I run the code command again, so if I type code and hit enter, so this time the cursor editor is not opened, and instead we are getting this error which is saying command not found code. So it means the code symlink is removed now for cursor editor. Now in case you want to open the VS Code using this code command, then you can install code command inside the VS Code, and you will find that video as well in the description below. Now do hit the like button if this video was useful to you, and if you are interested to learn more about latest technologies, then do subscribe the channel.